Are you tired of facing the same issues day after? The constant juggle of work, family, and finances. It's all so overwhelming and it leaves us so exhausted and frustrated. I've been there too, feeling stuck in a job with no growth, missing out on so much time with my son. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Shirley. So if you are not following me, hit that follow button because I'm just your average busy boy mom and wife here in Colorado who has been through all the struggles. And I found a way out. And I am sharing my cheat code with all the mamas out there who are struggling financially and just wants to spend more time with your family. I'm here encouraging and teaching other like-minded moms skills to earn money online. So guys, today is day 7 of my 90-day success sprint, and I am sharing my journey and key takeaways from my mentor calls and for the next 90 days. So my biggest takeaway today is knowing that for every problem we have, there's a solution. Imagine being able to earn an average of $900 daily using just your cell phone and a couple of hours a day. It sounds like it's too easy, right? But it's possible with the right guidance and a proven step-by-step blueprint. I was in your shoes until I found a way out. And I'm here to help you do the same. You deserve financial freedom. You deserve more time with your loved ones and the confidence that comes with knowing that you're providing the best for your family. But it all starts with you making the first move. Invest in yourself and take that leap towards a better future. Gain access to the education and tools that will empower you to succeed on this online space. Trust in yourself. Trust in the process. You have the power to change your life. And here's the great thing, guys. I am here to guide you every step of the way. So put ready in the comments and let's start this journey today.